Good morning, everyone. We are on day 2 of our semi-self-quarantine, I guess. Day 2 out of school for the coronavirus. We haven't left the house except Hadley went walking yesterday with her daddy. Other than that, we've stayed on our property. Today we got a little later start. It's like 10:20 now. The kids have eaten breakfast. I've gotten ready for the day. I do have a conference call in just a little bit. Obviously, I'm so casual, but I don't know. Something about getting up, doing my hair, doing my makeup makes me feel better. So I'm about to have a conference call in about 10 minutes for work to kind of check in and see what my responsibilities are going to be as far as what work they want me to do remotely. Kids are working on their homework. Let's see what Hadley's doing. Hadley's working on her math, and look, twinsies. We wanted to wear some green today, but still be fun because it is
St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day. And let's check in on Hayden. What work are you doing?
Something about a hydro flask.
Something about a hydro flask. All right. But is it your science? Yeah. Working on science. We haven't really gotten around very much this morning, so things are kind of messy so far.
Would this be a...
It's about 11 o'clock today, and I just got done with my conference call from work. So that was nice to get to talk to everybody. And just kind of check in and find out more about expectations. Hadley finished her AMI packet. Hayden's still working on his. Of course, with him being in 5th grade versus her 1st grade, he has a lot more to do. But right now I'm just kind of straightening up the house, letting the kids have a break. I think they're upstairs playing a board game. I've opted to keep electronics put away for right now. Hello, my darling. There's Hadley. What are you guys playing upstairs?
I didn't really want to play.
You didn't really want to play?
I didn't want to play a board game, so
what?
I decided to draw.
You decided to draw. What's Hayden doing?
He's finding ways to tickle Nala.
Okay.
He's finding ways to do something with Nala.
So I think we're going to just take like the next hour or so just to play and relax. And then we'll probably have lunch. I'm trying to get on a routine. We really do good with routines. It doesn't usually go well during the summer when we just kind of muddle around.
Yeah, since in the summer we don't have school, I'm always like, can I just sleep in, please?
So we're just trying to keep a routine going, and So this morning we woke up, had breakfast, got ready for the day. We started off really a little slow today.
Yeah.
I let Hayden sleep in until almost 9:30. So tomorrow I'm not going to do that. Mean mommy.
I woke up at 6, I think. I'm not sure.
I don't know if you were.
8.
Yeah, maybe 7. Of course, I'm still getting up early because I teach. And so I got up at 5:10.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's early.
Yeah. Tomorrow I have to get up even earlier. I have to get up about 4:40 tomorrow because I have class at 5.
I'm pretty sure Grandma has to get up at 2.
Pretty early. So, I hear the cat running away. Yeah, so we'll check in a little bit. I've got some laundry started. I'm about to do some dishes. And then during our chore time that I have set out, I don't think I'm going to get to that closet today. It's not really priority. Today I think I'm just really going to scrub the bathrooms. And the kids are going to be cleaning their bedrooms. And we have a big family room upstairs, and I really want them to get that cleaned up. They've been kind of like attempting to clean it, but
Okay, bye.
not very well.
Bye, have a great
So
time.
that's our plans for later when it's chore time. All right, we have just eaten lunch. We had some yummy chili dogs. Hayden's minus the chili, add mustard. And some yummy banana bread. Applesauce. It was a delicious lunch, huh?
Yeah.
I think you might be wearing some of it on your face.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You might mute.
It's so wet and rainy and nasty outside. It's not really raining right now, but it is super wet and super muddy.
Yes.
But we might have to get outside anyway in a little bit.
I don't want to get wet.
We can put our rain boots on. It's not raining. Put our rain boots on and go for a little walk. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Why? Hayden doesn't want to go. It's not raining. It's just really wet. Daddy's outside walking right now. He's going on his daily 6-mile walk. So he's out doing that. And the kids, during their creative time today,
we decided to do a little Lego contest. Who could build the best thing?
a Lego builder competition.
But for some reason...
Hayden doesn't want to show his.
Because my socks.
But who would you choose?
I haven't even looked at them yet. So let's check out Hadley's.
I built an airport. So there's somebody walking outside, and right here is the little garage where you can park your cars. And then there's somebody walking out because they forgot their suitcases from their car. And then this person is going in to have a seat to wait for his plane.
Mm-hmm.
And this person, they call and they go out, and then you get into the airplane right here.
Ah, so that's the terminal.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Hayden, do you want to show yours? Why not?
Because it's not good.
Why?
Because I'm not good.
You made like a big person, right?
I don't even know.
He didn't just show it.
Come on.
I broke it. On accident.
Come on. You can't be in the competition if you don't show it.
He died.
I'll fix it.
He looks like Optimus Prime or something.
It's Optimus Prime.
Trying to fix it. Ah.
He died.
Okay, no, I have no clue where this piece went. No idea. But this is what he built.
He will destroy you.
What?
All I can see is your back, Hadley. What's it supposed to be, Hayden? Or you just were building and
It's
just whatever?
supposed to be. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to be.
It kind of looks like me because brown hair and brown eyes.
There.
This is what it looks like.
Don.
Dun, dun. Wait, you know what? It would. You know what? It kind of looks like Daddy almost because. I don't know.
It doesn't. That's not a beard.
I'm starting dinner. You can hear the sizzling. I am making something tonight I want to show you guys. This is like a comfort food for me. My mom made this when I was a kid. And so I make it for the kids and they really like it. But we just call it Mexican casserole. And I don't know where this recipe came from. Like I said, this is a recipe that my mom's been making since I was a kid. So basically, right now I am browning some hamburger meat, a pound. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 350. Browning the hamburger meat. And then over here, I have the rest of my ingredients. So I have some corn tortillas. You can use flour if you want, but I prefer it with corn. Cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, Rotel style tomatoes, ranch style beans, and Fiesta blend cheese. And that's it. That's all the ingredients. Are you coming to help?
Sure.
Wash your hands.
Oh, yeah, I guess it is.
All right, so she's going to wash her hands. I'm going to finish browning this meat. All right, so Hadley's going to go ahead And pour the cream of mushroom and cream of chicken into the bowl. Just dump it upside down. Shake it out. Ta-da!
That was a big blob.
And the cream of chicken.
Oh, whoa. That wasn't a big blob.
And the Rotel tomatoes. And then give that a little mix. And then I'm going to come over here. Oops, sorry for my finger. Just kind of give this meat a little stir. Just about all browned. And then I'm going to use my strainer to drain off the fat. This is 80/20. I couldn't really find anything else. I prefer something leaner, but due to what's going on now, it was impossible to find anything else. In fact, this was the leanest I could find. The yucky stuff was still left. But let me see. All stirred up. All right. Okay, so that will be ready for us. You're done for now. All right, I've got the meat cooked and the fat drained off, and now we're going to add our can of ranch style beans and just kind of heat that through. All right, so we have everything ready to put together. I have just a Pyrex 9x13 casserole dish, and I'm going to line it with, let me do this part. I'm going to line it with 6 corn tortillas just to kind of make a crust.
Oh, look, there's lines on that. Oh, I think it's just on the bottom.
So there is that. Then, let's see. Put that right there. All right, then we're going to pour our meat and bean mixture on top.
That looks so good. Nice.
Right, and then I'm just gonna spread it around. Nice and even.
I know what, Mommy? Like, the people that don't know about this, like, as they're watching you make
They
it.
could make it.
They could make it.
All right, and then we're ready to pour our soup and tomato mixture on top. So, you want to try it, Hadley? Let's see. Can you do it?
Just pour it?
Yeah, but don't pour the spoon in.
Yeah, I will. Everything?
Mm-hmm.
Just in a big blob?
Well, just kind of, whoop, uh-oh. Oh, you're getting it outside the pan. Yeah, just, you can put it in a blob, and then we'll spread it.
Okay.
You got it? Do you need help? Do you need help?
I don't know.
Okay, so we got the soup mix in, spread it on top, and then we're going to sprinkle a lot more cheese than that. Lots and lots of cheese. You want to I top it with about 1.5 cups of cheese. Make it nice and cheesy.
Nice.
And there it is. It's ready to put in the oven. 350 for about 25 minutes. And now it's gonna cook, and then we can eat it.
Yay!
I like this recipe because, again, like I said, it is like nostalgic for me.
It seems easy to make.
And it's really easy to make, and it's very budget friendly. You can make that meal for about $10 or $11. And everybody in my family likes it. It's
so
not the
good.
healthiest thing, I'll say that. I do usually pair it with maybe, we may do corn with it tonight or something.
Corn?
But it's easy to make, budget friendly, and delicious.
Definitely delicious. 100% delicious.
And there it is in all its bubbly glory. Now we'll just give it a few minutes to cool off, and then it'll be time to eat. We're feeling a little down this evening. I just unpacked 2 of our suitcases from the cruise that we were supposed to take, and that put us in a little bit of a funk, didn't it? Just, I think, realizing that we're really not going, we're really stuck here. Yep. Trying to stay positive. It's only day 2. But
We still
I
have
think
1,000 days to go, it seems
feels like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think just the realization that we're really not going on our vacation that we've been looking forward to for months.
Yeah,
Just kind of, it's hard.
I've been so excited for like the 24
Your
hour,
face.
I don't know, like the 24-hour ice cream.
Yeah.
And in the swimming pool, and we won't have that much pizza, and we just won't have that much fun here. We just won't have that much fun.
Yeah, we're just, I don't know. I didn't get as much movement today as I did yesterday, and so I'm feeling that too. I didn't drink as much water, so I have a headache. So it's just like everything kind of all together. We're just kind of like, meh. So I think that calls for maybe snuggling up for a movie.
Yeah, we could watch Stargirl.
And I do have a special snack for them tonight. It's a little early, but it's a special snack for the holiday. Because today is a holiday.
Yeah, it's St. Patrick's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah. So, yeah.
It's been really boring.
I think also I haven't checked it myself, but I need to do that. But I read that Kansas closed school for the rest of the school year.
What? How are the children going to learn? They don't have AMI packets that
They do, but
Oh,
it won't
they
be
do?
it won't be through AMI packets. It'll be they'll do school online with their teachers.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
So I'm thinking, what's going to happen if our neighboring state shuts school down for the rest of the school year, which in my opinion was a little premature. What's going to happen for us? What's that going to look like? So, I don't know. We'll see how this thing plays out. Just so much uncertainty. So. All right. We're going to have a little snack before we watch a movie. And because it's
St. Patrick's Day.
we're going to eat some Lucky Charms.
It was a surprise, and I was like, wait. Since it's St. Patrick's Day, I saw that she had Lucky Charms, so it was gonna be Lucky Charms.
So their little evening snack is going to be some Lucky Charms cereal. And we just realized we didn't film an outro. So here it is.
Yay.
Good night, everyone.
I'm very tired.
I'm sleepy too. And we hope everybody is staying well and safe. And we will see you on our next adventure tomorrow as we navigate this craziness. Give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.